our gravity-fed wood chippers with grinding attachment. Here, chipping black wattle, and then the chips which are produced are diverted down through the grinder for grinding the chips down into a specialty. These grindings are through a 15mm screen. There are other screens available from 8mm up to 20mm. In chipping function only, typical example of Hershey chips. Really exactly the same machine, but now on a trailer and fitted with a 35 horse Briggs or with a 45 horse diesel engine. Here, dairy cattle enjoying black wattle, ground black wattle, together with 10% chop. Set to mulching only, set to chipping only. Very simple. Showing one of the two reversible blades in the drum, and the action against the anvil, which can move up and down and set to exactly where you want and then tighten up.